So you are calling Uddhav Thackeray to resign, then to join hands once again with the BJP and form a new government. A new government headed by whom? By Uddhav Thackeray or Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde? Who will be the chief minister of this new government?
That would be decided by the top leadership. Our group leader is Mr. Shinde. Whatever Shinde decides, we abide by it.
So you are saying that Uddhav Thackeray should leave the BJP, should leave the MV alliance, join hands with the BJP, and then Eknath Shinde will decide what happens, or will Uddhav Thackeray decide? Are you saying that Eknath Shinde now is the leader of the Shiv Sena and Uddhav Thackeray must listen to Eknath Shinde?
I'm not saying that. Eknath ji also respects Uddhav ji. He also respects and like a god, Baba Thackeray and then Anand Dighe. So I don't think there is any dispute. And initially, Uddhav Sahib wanted to make him the CM of Maharashtra. He has spoken to him like that. But when Pawarji insisted that he should become the CM, then the things changed. And without his wish, he became the CM. He very efficiently fought the COVID. And we are proud of him. But now that 2.5 years are over, so he will have to decide. We had gone before the people of Maharashtra as a combination of BJP and Sena, and they have voted us like that. So that is the public mandate, as per which the next 2.5 years, we really request that we must form a government and the Maharashtra should progress, because when the central and the state are hands in hand, definitely there is a better way for the prosperous Maharashtra. We can take Maharashtra to greater heights.
Sir, but who will be the chief minister? Apparently the deal is Devendra Fadnavis as chief minister, Eknath Shinde as deputy chief minister. Have you already struck this deal with the BJP?
I cannot say like that. I'll have to honestly tell you that these decisions are taken on higher levels. So I'm just a party spokesman, and that means these groups, and that is our actually party in the Legislative Assembly. So my role is limited, and I think that I have today written the letter.
But Mr. Kesarkar, you are saying you are a new group.
Yeah, I'm not. We are not a new
group. No, Mr. Kesarkar, actually, you are saying you are a new group. Again, sir, just a minute. Mr. Kesarkar, you are saying you are a new group, but a new group to avoid the anti-defection laws may well need to merge with some party. Are you ready to merge with the BJP? Is that a possibility?
Let me complete, sir. We are not a new group. We are the original legislative assembly party of Shiv Sena, because it contained 55 members, 56 members initially. One of our MLA, he expired unfortunately. Now we are 55. So that 55 or 56 people had unanimously chosen Eknath Shinde as their leader. So that position stays. It has not changed, and 14 or 15 people cannot change that position. So we are the original group. The 14 people which are left in Mumbai, they will have to work under Eknath Shinde ji, and they will also have to follow the whip issued by the legislative party. That is what I feel, and it should be as per law, yes. I think.
Sir, but Uddhav Thackeray ji's group has named Ajay Chaudhary as the leader of the legislature party and not Eknath Shinde. They have removed him. Now the decision is left with the deputy speaker to recognize who is the leader of the legislature party. You have challenged that decision of the deputy speaker. No decision yet has been taken on that. So can you claim today to be the original, to be the official Shiv Sena party or not? That also decision may go to the court. This matter will get further prolonged.
Clear-cut decisions in Ram Paswan case, it is clearly said what your what is written in your party's formation, it is not binding. Whatever there is in the constitution is binding on the house. So it is clearly mentioned. Whatever your party's constitution says, the actual constitution supersedes everything. So it is very clear, and I'm sure there should not be any dispute because it is a decided matter.
So let me ask you two final questions. One is the fear that is being expressed by many people in the Shiv Sena, or their claim that many of you have gone to Guwahati not because of any ideological reasons. You have gone because many of you have ED cases against you. Many of you have serious investigations going on. You are trying to protect yourself. This is not about ideology. This is because you have struck a deal with the BJP. All ED cases, all IT cases will now be put on the back burner if you join hands with the BJP.
Sir, it is not at all like that. If you could claim, there could be 2 or 3 ED cases on our MLA, but we are 50. Right now 51. How that number could come to 51? Sir, it is clear cut. We have told to our party chief that we do not go ahead with this NCP and Congress alliance, and we want Sena to be with BJP. Number of times we have told him, the matter was delayed, and because of that delay, we have come to this situation. Otherwise, it would have happened 1 year back, 1 year and 1 or 2 months, maybe.